Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. Let's draw baby human first. So the first shape was a circle for the head, and then let's do our circle for the body. Let's make this baby walking a little bit. Rectangles for the legs. You can do rectangles for the arms. Circles for the hands. Let's put a diaper on him. The baby has diapers, so let's put a line here. You can draw a circle around here. So that'll be the diaper. You guys know how babies suck on those pacifiers in their mouth? So let's draw a pacifier. Let's put one here. Let's put a circle. Let's draw some eyes, dot eyes. And you can use like this rectangle shape for a nose. And to finish the pacifier, let's make this shape here. Here, let's put the eyebrows. So one thing that makes something look like a baby is babies have big eyes. So if you want to make it look more baby-like, you can make the eyes bigger. Now let's use this shape for the ears. All right, let's make a baby bear. So you guys know how to make babies now, right? So babies are very easy. So for a baby bear, let's make the head shape a rectangle. Okay, let's make this baby bear sitting. So what's next do we draw? Let's draw the body. Okay, so let's have fun. Let's make everything out of rectangles for this design. So let's draw a rectangle for the body. What's next? The feet? No, the legs. So let's draw the legs like this. Next, the arms. So let's use rectangles again. Okay, so bears, do they have noses or they have muzzles? You guys remember what a muzzle is? So let's draw the muzzle. So what shape are we gonna use? We're gonna use all what? Good job, guys, you have the muzzle. So we're gonna draw all rectangles. So let's draw a rectangle like this. That's for the muzzle. And let's use a square for the nose. And let's put a smiley face there. Okay, what other details do we need, guys? So let's use a rectangle for the eyes. Okay, we need paws, so people said paws. We can use straight lines for paws. We need ears. And what shape are we using, guys? All rectangles. There's our baby bear. All right, so we just learned how to draw babies. The main thing with a baby is that the heads are big and the bodies are small. And you make the eyes big too. Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.